So talk me through the NatWest side. How has that helped you, and how does that sort of work? But yeah, talk me through that.
Sure. The setup's changed a lot since starting. They're evolving and innovating as they go. But the first 6 months consisted of every 2 weeks being there on a Wednesday, and there was workshops that were put on, and the workshops was around sales, funding, finance,
Mm.
marketing, leadership, all areas. I'm not so much the finance, I got that covered, but the other areas that were weaknesses that needed to be turned into strengths. But
Mm.
having the like-minded people, there was over 100 business owners that was on that cohort. So
Mhm.
obviously you don't speak to all of them, but you gain some very good relationships, and it's all around the relationship capital that you build while you're
Yeah.
there. And now I have some as clients. Now I have some as people that I refer work onto, and
Mhm.
I can just call upon. Some are now friends, which is
Yeah, yeah.
really nice as well. Which it was just really empowering to have a community that you could depend upon. You get a coach, a designated coach. I have a really good relationship with that lady, and
Mhm.
just having that support and that guide and that mentorship where you can just go, this is what's the problem, and you realize that other people have the same problems as well. We used to
Yeah,
do
yeah.
we did an exercise. It was called group acceleration, and you got split off into different groups, and you would spend 20 minutes and you would talk through a problem that you've got. So you would talk about the goal that you want to achieve and where you're currently at, and then everybody will feedback their ideas, and you go around the group and you go, oh wow, there's actually many people that have a similar type of issue.
Mm.
And you just pour on everybody's perspective and expertise in different areas. And it was so invaluable. That helped me grow so much within, because that was 6 months into the business, that helped me
Sure.
grow so much during that first year.
So would you, it sounds like you definitely would recommend that to someone who's,
100%.
is it typically sort of early on businesses, or do they have more established businesses there? How does it sort of look in the room?
It's, to be honest, it's a bit of both. It's
Okay.
people that find a bit of a go to a stagnant and then want to carry on growing and just need
Mhm.
help in different areas. You've got people that just have business ideas. You have people like me that have just launched that need a bit of help. What I
Mhm.
love about NatWest is they're just about helping businesses survive and thrive.
Mm.
They have just went to their 10-year accelerator birthday celebration last
Oh.
week, which was super fun. But they've made a commitment that they want to help 10,000 businesses in the UK over the next 3 years, which is
Mm.
unbelievable. Like, the support around small
Yeah, yeah.
business and the help that they can provide is invaluable.
Sounds great. Honestly, it sounds mint.